Hey treasure hunters, Kai here with ApexMagnets. Thinking about trying magnet fishing? Or maybe you've already started. Either way, the most important part of your setup is the magnet itself. Today, I'll walk you through the best magnets for magnet fishing, what to look for, and a few of my favorite picks. First up, let's talk about what makes a good fishing magnet. You'll want to think about three things: strength, water resistance, and design. Strength is obvious. You need pulling power to reel in more than just keys or soup cans. Neodymium magnets are your best bet here. With enough force, you might haul up anything from computer towers to car engines. Water resistance is huge too. Your magnet will take a beating underwater. Look for one with a protective casing or plating, and always dry it off after use to prevent corrosion. And finally, design. Make sure your magnet has a hook or eye bolt so you can easily attach your rope or chain. Let's talk about another common difference in fishing magnets: double-sided versus single-sided. Here's the thing with single-sided magnets: if they land face down, great. However, if they flip or hit at the wrong angle, you may miss the metal entirely. That means more casts, more frustration, and more chances of pulling up nothing but mud. A double-sided fishing magnet eliminates the guesswork. With two magnetic faces, you've got more grabbing surface, more coverage, and way fewer wasted casts. It's the difference between a day of almosts and a day of actual finds. Now that you know what to look for in a magnet, here are our top picks for magnet fishing. Let's start with the 200-pound double-sided retrieval magnet. Don't let the size fool you. It's only about 3 inches across, but it can pull the weight of a refrigerator. It comes with 2 removable eye bolts and zinc-plated steel coating for extra water resistance. This one's perfect for beginners or casual fishing trips. Next up, the 600-pound double-sided retrieval magnet. This little powerhouse could fit in your pocket, but it's strong enough to snag motorcycles, vending machines, or big appliances. That strength requires serious pulling power, which is why this magnet features 2 drop-forged eye bolts for attaching ropes and chains. It's versatile and a favorite for anyone ready to level up their magnet fishing game. And then there's the heavy hitter, the 1,000-pound double-sided magnet. That's right, enough strength to pull up a small car or motorcycle. But remember, with great strength comes great responsibility. You'll need a tough rope or chain to match this magnet's power. Magnet fishing is like underwater treasure hunting. People have pulled up jewelry, bikes, even safes with thousands of dollars inside. But it's not without risks. Some folks have found guns, grenades, and even World War II bombs. If you encounter anything hazardous, step back and contact the authorities immediately. And always handle powerful magnets carefully. They can pinch or even break bones if you're not cautious. So, whether you're just starting out or ready for the big leagues, ApexMagnets has the perfect fishing magnet for your next adventure. Check out our 200, 600, and 1,000-pound double-sided magnets and start your treasure hunt today. Check out what we have in stock at ApexMagnets.com. We look forward to seeing what treasures you find hiding underwater. Once again, this is Kai with ApexMagnets, and thanks for watching.